Welcome to day 5 of eating only healthy meals for 30 days challenge. Today's meal looks very simple, but it is very high in protein and very high in fiber. Thus far, this was one of the meals that kept me full for a very long time, and it completely suppressed my appetite because of its high protein content. It's sweet potato day, and I am going to be making some delicious crispy sweet potato slices. By consuming the sweet potato skin, I get 64% more fiber out of the sweet potato, which is 3 times more fiber than when it's peeled. I am adding these to a bowl, and in goes a little bit of olive oil just to coat the sweet potatoes to allow all my flavors and spices to stick. Greasing the sweet potatoes also prevents them from turning brown. We're going to add some seasonings. We're adding a little bit of potato seasonings, which is a dry herb. I'm adding a little bit of salt, which is totally optional because the sweet potatoes on its own has good flavor. I am adding some black pepper, and these can be roasted in the oven at high temperature, or I like to just add them to my air fryer and make them nice, golden, and crisp. I will air fry these for a total of 15 minutes, flipping 7 minutes each side. Next, I am going to make a simple tuna salad. I'm going in with 3 cans of drained tuna. Over the tuna, I am adding some lime juice, and I'm going to use half of a lime. I'm adding 1 cup of chopped cucumbers, half cup of diced red onions, 2 tablespoons of cilantro or shanobeni, anyone you prefer, some garlic powder, 1 cup of corn, and I'm only using 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise because I'm watching what I eat. And I'm going to mix this up. You can add any vegetables that you want in here. Some stuffed olives. This meal is very simple. It is low calorie and very high in protein, which keeps you full for very long. Sweet potatoes are also low calorie when compared to rice and pasta, so it's a good pairing. It's very important to take a break and listen to your body. Eat healthy if it's only for 7 days. Be motivated to feel as good as you look and look as good as you feel. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, and share the recipe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in day 6.